Okay, everybody, I'm going to record this little video for you. You may hear some geese in the background, but otherwise, I want you just to listen to the silence. It's absolutely amazing. And there's only me here on the beach at the Merse RSPB Nature Reserve. So take a look. There you have it. Just completely amazing and totally silent. All the people that go to the Highlands every year with everyone else and their dog need to think twice and get down to the southwest, because this is as beautiful as anything you'll see in the northwest.